Good evening, friends. I'm Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed today, that is 11th of July, Monday, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow, that is 12th of July, Tuesday. Before we go to Nifty and Banknifty, let's look at the global indices. If we talk about the Asian indices, all the indices closed almost flat. Midcap was up by 1%, and Nifty 100 was up by 0.25%. Otherwise, all the indices closed almost flat to negative. If we talk about European indices, Germany, France, and UK all are trading in red as of now. If we talk about China, all the indices closed in red. All the indices were down by around 1%. If we talk about US is showing poor opening on the Monday's trading session. All the indices are down by more than 0.5%. Nasdaq is being beaten down more than 2% down. So it looks like volatility is increasing in the US index. VIX has increased by 8.28%. So it's a massive increase in the VIX. So let's look at the Indian markets. Before we go to that, FII data. FIIs were net sellers. They have sold for 170 crores. DIs were net buyers. They have, in fact, DIs were also net sellers today. I'm sorry for this. DIs have sold for 296 crores. Let's go to the 15-minute chart of Nifty. Sorry. So on Nifty, on a 15-minute chart, what we have seen today is so there was a upward trend line which is broken, and then from there we have seen a smart upward move. An upward move came and made a high of 16,248, and from there closed at 16,216. So what we need to consider for tomorrow is, as of now, SG Nifty is showing gap down opening of roughly around 40 points, but let's see what happens tomorrow. So for Nifty, the first support is at 16,180. Second is at 16,130 and then 16,080. If this is broken, then 16,000 level is on the cards. If we talk about the resistance is at 16,250, 16,270, followed by 16,320 and then 16,400. Let's go to the option chain. On option chain, what we can see is 16,500 is the strike price where maximum call writing is happening. Put writers have closed their position. So looks like this is difficult for this expiry. On the support side, 16,000 it's a good support on a broader range. Let's go to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was much more bullish as compared to Nifty. Nifty Nifty closed almost flat, but Bank Nifty was up by close to 1%. Bank Nifty showed a bullish move, and look at the trend line which Bank Nifty is following, and Bank Nifty has been respecting the levels. So for tomorrow, the first resistance for Bank Nifty is 35,550, followed by 35,750, and then 35,850. If this is broken, then 36,000 can also come. On the support side, the first support comes at 35,250, then 35,150, and then 35,000. On the option chain, we can validate the levels. As of now, at 35,000, we can see support is getting built. 1,05,000 contracts have been written on the put side. Call writers have closed their position. On the support side, on the resistance side, I mean to say, 36,000 looks as a safe level as of now. So that's all for this video, friends. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.